talk about the various types of arcs. First is 3-point arc. Give the 3 points, first point, second point, and third point, your arc will be generated. And next is center and edge. Click the center point of the arc and the two ends of the arc. Your arc will be generated. And number 3 is concentric. As similar to the concentric circle, you can draw n number of arcs from the base point of the previous reference arc. So this is the base point and this is the center point as well, and I'm going to draw arc like this. So just click the center, start and end points. Your arc will be generated. And next is conic arc. You can able to draw the arc in a conic shape like this. Click two ends and your arc will be generated in conic shapes. And next we are going to talk about the ellipse command. First is axis and ellipse. Click the two ends of the major axis of the ellipse and your ellipse will be generated. And next is center and axis ellipse. Click the center and the end point of the ellipse and your ellipse is generated. Next is spline command. You can draw a curve based on the points which you have mentioned.